it's like a pendulum. There is never an optimal, ideal solution saying that everything belongs here, everything belongs there. I think the truth is somewhere in between. But there is a clear shift towards edge compute.
People have actually not introspected on what they do. If you say, well, natural language processing is going to help an analyst get a better signal on how people think about our ingredients in our products.
More and more people are being trained in machine learning, and either through communities out there, like for example, one of the communities we have is Kaggle, which has about 5 million data scientists now. And so more people are learning.
What are kind of the most important areas of development in AI over the next 5 years?
We started building more and more ML into the client itself.
If you think about access to talent, access to skill sets that you wouldn't have necessarily considered or had before.
There are two ways in which they will impact the existing enterprise.
A lot of the use cases that executives are trying out or are piloting or putting in operations are ones that are meant to augment or meant to empower and enable the human workforces.
There's a lot of great technology out there, but it's very difficult to scale in a way that companies can manage internally and have an unfair advantage over their competitors.
AI is not going to replace everyone, but the radiologist is the time-consuming process for them. For each one of these CT scans, they typically only look at, one or two of the largest tumors.
And so I'm super excited about the future of healthcare and what machine learning can do to it and what new technologies it can enable, as opposed to retrofitting sort of old enterprises and basically making them better at what they already know what to do.
There's multiple layers to things that you have to think through from a compliance, from a regulatory perspective, from personal data perspective.
These days, one very important aspect of innovation is quickly sorting through ideas. You want to fail fast. You want to find that really great idea, especially at the early stage, and take it with you all the way through all the stages. But you want to decide which one is your best idea, so you're not stuck with a kind of a so-so idea going forward.